Kanja faisi kisafu ofte mi lobi mi anai fa elafu madem di duangai na itapu your body's on my mind on it dem me dengi sausadu yela fugima ya itapu me look for ya biogido your body's on my mind on it mi sabitaki.
Hello ladies, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how I create this look, this beautiful natural look. And by the way, my makeup is the bomb. My makeup was done by Beauty by Leslie. Make sure to check her out on Instagram. And I will do this tutorial in English, but English is not my first language, so forgive me. These are the products I use. The hair is from AliExpress. So first I braid the hair, my own hair, without extra hair, and I take 2 strands of the hair and I put the ends together, and I use the crochet thing, I don't know how you call that, the crochet loop, I think. And then I crochet the 2 strands through my own hair, and then one side is longer than the other side, so I can put the hair how long I want it to be. And when I got that right, I just do my locks. I just wrap it around my own hair and the extra hair. I just wrap it around until I reach the length I'm going for. I didn't want my locks to be too long, so I did it just a little bit below the length of my own hair, so my locks are not that long. And when I reach the length I want to have, oh no, I'm adding some here. There I'm cutting the 1 strand into 2, and then I'm adding that to my locks, and I keep wrapping it up. So here I reach the length I want it to have. Now I'm wrapping the hair up instead of wrapping it down. So I'm wrapping it up, and I will make a knot in the hair so it's secure. Yes, so it gets secure. It will not unravel. And now I will glue that down. The extra piece left out, I will glue that down so it doesn't unravel. I just used a little bit of glue, a little bit of super glue, not too much. And that's my lock. I will cut the extra piece on the Yes, I will cut that away. And that's my lock, my finished lock. And that was this tutorial. It's super easy to do, and the same method I use for all my locks, so it's super easy and it's super cheap because I only used I think 2 packs of the hair. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.